What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you today. I'm at the headquarters, man. I've been chilling. Had a service call I just wrapped up a little while ago. And I just wanted to come to you for a second and talk to you about my experience in OKC so far. I had someone ask me, how has things been? What have I felt? What have I feeling? Well, I'm going to be honest with you. I honestly feel like this city is full of opportunities. I honestly feel like it's full of opportunities, and I also see the um, lack of professionalism in some areas in networking from where I'm from. Coming from Phoenix, and I also see that the intimidation of confidence, like of someone just being confident. Not arrogant, because I consider myself as being a confident welder, a confident entrepreneur, a confident owner, not an arrogant one. You know what I mean? I don't feel like I'm better than no one. You know what I mean? I come from the bottom, so I can't judge anyone. All I say is, I don't leave room for excuses. I just believe that if you grind hard and you put forth the effort and you throw yourself out there right and you treat people right and you do things properly, then it's going to work out for you. But I have I have noticed that some people tend to get um, a little intimidated. I think I don't know if it's completely intimidation or a little uncomfort feeling with me. Being confident. You know what I mean? Like I think some of the people I have met especially, I'm gonna keep it real with you, especially some of the black men I have met, because I haven't met any black welders yet since I've been here. So if it's some here, I haven't met them yet. You know what I mean? They say they're here, but I haven't met them yet. I've been here about a month and a half now. So if it is some, I haven't met them yet. But needless to say, the people that I have met, I have noticed that since I'm a little confident, that some people don't know how to take it. You know what I mean? And like I say, I'm just confident in who I am. I'm not arrogant by no means, but I can tell that that's different. You know what I mean? Like I just know my lane. I know my niche. I know who I am as a person. So another man can't intimidate me or make me feel any type of way or make me hold my head down or nothing. You know what I mean? Um, but I have noticed that I have noticed that this is remind me Oklahoma City is Midwest, but it's still a little south in a way. It's not south south, but it still has some southern ways. It still have the southern, people speak. I like that. People speak to you. You know what I mean? Um, if they like you or not, you got your good ones, bad ones, or whatnot. But that's it, pretty much in every place. But I have just noticed, just me personally, that people don't know how to take me. You know what I mean? Like reaching your hand out organically, like, hey, yeah, I helped you. I just let me know, that people tend to look at that kind of. I don't know. I don't know if they're just used to it or think someone trying to owe them something. But if I see you struggling, you know what I mean, and I say, hey, he's like, man, I'm in a bind right now. I'm doing this. And I'm like, all right, I helped you with that, man. I helped you fix that, man. We can get to some money. I just see you in a bind. I figure if you get a little assistance, if you a hustler, you know what I mean? Because I don't knock hustlers. If you a hustler, I know you're gonna win. You know what I mean? Hey, assist you with that, help you go and get back going, and then we can come up with something to eat. They ain't know how to take it. You know what I mean? So, I realized that, um, it's more like I used to stay in Kansas City, so we believe in showing you. You know what I mean? So we don't have no problem with um, we don't have no problem with putting our money where our mouth is, so to speak. You know what I mean? So here, I just know that the approach is just to show. You know, because I had a couple that I have said, yeah, I'm gonna do this and this, just showing some plans because I literally had this planned out. Because if I say it, it's already in motion. You see what I'm saying? So I think they thought I was on some BS, you know what I mean? And then when it happened, it's like, damn, he for real. But I could tell, you know what I mean? I even talked to one gentleman, I just stopped to give him a card. I can tell once he seen my confidence, he almost like he didn't want to talk to me. But I just went and gone and went through the emotions because I was there. I said, all right, I see this. I felt the vibe. And this is the black man, you know what I mean? Like, I literally just told him, hey, I stopped up here and got something done. I want to network with you. But I need this, blase, blase. I'm going to come back and spend some money with you on this level. And then I'll talk to you, again, about what I'm trying to do. I even told him, I said, say, man, I don't come up here asking for any handouts. I want to, network with you first. You know what I mean? And then after you see that I'm a man of my word and what I'm networking with, then we could talk about, what I got going if we can network or whatever. But I have always built my relationships off of spending money. You know what I mean? The relationships that I have built to me that has been valuable has not been relationships with people that I'm just cool with, talk to every day. You know what I mean? They be with people I spent money with. And I spend money with them, they spend money with me. You see what I'm saying? And it goes vice versa. You know what I mean? And I have had people that, by me investing in what they got going on, they had no problem because they seen the vision. Oh man, he got this going on. Yeah. Let's get into this. But here I think it's going to be a little different. I might have a few people that I might end up networking with. I'm hoping I can be able to network with some of the brothers in the area because, I want to network with my people. You know what I'm saying? So, if I'm here and I can help my people, that's what I want to do. But I'm not going to bite my tongue or I'm not going to kiss nobody ass or none of that. You know what I'm saying? I'm just, I'm going to be me. If you want to ride with the flow and get some money, we can get some money. If you don't, that's cool with me. I'm not tripping. You know what I mean? To each his own. But I believe that I'm going to have to just show up by actions, man. Like I say, I'm confident and not arrogant. I just want to say that again because I had met arrogant welders who thought they shit didn't stink and it did. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? I'm not that one. You know what I mean? I had a guy ask me, and just for the record too, I want to say this: welders in OKC. I don't know what you're doing if you're doing your pipe welding thing, fencing. Hey, I am not. I'm not trying to get in your lane. I don't want your lane. I'm not trying to take no customers from you. None of that. A guy asked me about, well, they do a lot of pipe fencing. I said, man, that ain't what I'm into. You know what I mean? Because that's a system that's already been set up. So they charge per foot. They already got a way that they try to charge. You know what I mean? So I'm like, that's like having a job. That's control. You see what I'm saying? So when they got a system on doing something, ain't no reason me to try to step in. That's the system. So I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna get no less money. I'm gonna have to settle for what you getting because that's the system. Nah, I'm gonna create my own lane. I said, man, I like to do things that you can't buy off the shelf. I like to do repairs. I like to do custom fabrication. I like to build my own thing. You see what I'm saying? Because that way I'm not in the box and I'm not trying to get in your box. You see what I'm saying? Now, even though I can step over here and get some money, but if it's not worth my time, I'm not going to do it. I'm like, no, I'm good. You can have it. You know what I'm saying? Because I know my lane. I know my niche. You see what I'm saying? So you don't have to worry about me coming in, doing some pipe fencing, taking your knife. If I do some pipe fencing, I'm going to give a price out. And if I do it, I'm going to make sure I'm winning on it. Or I'm not doing it. So, but I'm not going out bidding on that. You know what I'm saying? I had a lady ask me, hey, could you come out here and put a bid? No, I charge to come out and to give you a price or estimate over your job because I'm not going to waste my time. I'm not going to waste my gas to come out and give you an estimate or look over your job or give you some prints or figure out something for you for free. No, I'm not going to do it. But this is what I will do. I charge a fee. And if you so happen to go with it, you say, okay, come out here, check it out. And if you happen to pick me, then part of that fee goes towards the initial job. You see what I'm saying? But that way you got some skin in the game just like I do. If I got to drive over there and talk to you, I'm not doing it because I'm just seeking for work. Oh, you should look for work. Here, come over for free. Nah, we can talk over the phone for free. You can let me send me a photo, email me. You know what I mean? But that's my lane. Is to do custom fabrication, man, to do installation, to do um, container modifications. You see what I'm saying? I mean, that's my lane here. I don't have nobody in my lane. You see what I'm saying? Because what I'm gonna do is going to be something different. And I'm knowing that once I show my container and I get everything up and get everything lined out, I'm knowing that it's gonna it's gonna catch some people off guard because they ain't gonna be ready for it. Like literally, they're gonna be like, "Dang, I wasn't. Nah, you wasn't expecting what I'm about to do," and that's fine with me because I know that. But that's what I'm gonna have to do. Like one person here, I done met one black guy that's I've been networking with. You know, I holler at him. You know, with me and him been staying in contact. So I believe me and my guy gonna get some money. I reached out to another one. I don't really know. I tried. You see what I'm saying? So if things go and I see him again and he's still doing the same thing, he can be like, "Man, what's up?" I say, "Bro, I try to reach out, bro. You don't." But you know, some people get caught up with someone coming and eating better than them or something. But it's all about what you know. You know what I mean? Because I didn't heard some people tell me their ideas in this city. Now, this is just me personally that I had talked to. I talked to some people, and the things that they tell me that they're about to do or they just starting, literally, I was doing this 10 years ago. So I'm thinking like, damn, is this place that much behind or am I that much advanced from what I've been through in these last years, learning and being independent and knocking on doors? Like, the way I think and the way I network and hustle, like they don't think like that. You know what I mean? Like they don't operate. The mindset don't need the mindset like this. Ain't even, I haven't met no one on that mindset that operates like me yet. But except my guy, like he thinking like, hey man, I'm trying to do this and this and this. But I'm just saying as far as on a majority scale, it seemed like I'm a little faster on certain areas, the networking and hustling and being an entrepreneur. You see what I'm saying? Than what I didn't see. Than some of the brothers I didn't seen anyway, the ones I done met anyway. Uh, everybody, I had a few people that talk a few game, but I know the difference from someone who's actually got it, who looked like he got it, or who's trying to get it. You know what I mean? Like I've been around some people, and I think, and to be honest with you, man, me doing that time incarcerated, being incarcerated for 10 years like that, like that helped me learn so much about the human character because character do not lie. A tongue do. The mouth. This thing, it'll lie. But character, it don't lie. And I learned how to read people's character. You see what I'm saying? And I know how to recognize mine. I know how to see the the revolving door in the character. So even if you try to lie, it's going to show. You see what I'm saying? But most people don't know about character and don't really know. It ain't nothing about the zodiac and none of that. Even though I do know some information on that, but it's not about that. It's just about a person's character. They'll show you who they are. You don't have to tell me. Like for instance, I always tell people I can show you better than I can tell you. You see what I'm saying? Actions speak louder than words. You know what I mean? I ain't got to tell you who I am. I'm gonna show you who I am, and you gonna tell somebody else that's who he is. You see what I'm saying? Because I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing. I'm just gonna be me. You know what I mean? And some people, when they feel like they're around people that is bold like that and won't bite their tongue and don't go for no bullshit, they don't like to be around us because if you on some bullshit, I'm gonna let you know I'm not gonna be around. I'm like, nah, I'm good. Or you come across me the wrong way, I'm gonna let you know how I feel instantly. Like I'm not gonna go home and sleep on it and say, "Hey man, you know what you said that day, man, really kind of rubbed me wrong." Nah, I'm bringing that shit to your face right then. You see what I'm saying? So it ain't gonna be no, he went home and thought about it. Nah, if you got a situation with me, we're gonna handle that situation right then and there. We're gonna talk about it or whatever the situation is. But I'm not the type of person to backbite or to go behind your back or to say that's kid stuff. I wasn't doing that as a kid. You know what I'm saying? So I ain't with that. You know what I mean? I wasn't raised like that. You know what I mean? But everybody is different, man. Everybody is different. But I just wanted to come in with a video, man, just to say I'm not a arrogant welder by no means. I'm just confident. And I'm knowing that so far in this city, I feel like that they haven't seen a black gentleman, especially of my caliber, I would say, someone that looks like me, cultured with a beard and gold teeth, you know what I mean? And the way I carry myself, say and do the things that I'm doing. Like, it's like I look this way, but I act this way. Yeah, I look hood, but I'm on a corporate level. I know it, you know what I'm saying? Because I didn't ever want to switch it up. Like, I know how to dress corporate and all that, but I'm just saying as far as my look, you know what I mean? I'm like, this is me. You see what I'm saying? And I'm not going to switch me up because I want my kids to know they can do anything. You know what I mean? And regardless of my odds of what I face, I still made something out of it. You see what I'm saying? So I feel like we got to get to the point where we just need to be real. You know what I mean? Don't network with someone because of your insecurities, your idiosyncrasies. You see what I'm saying? Your small flaws that you feel like, oh man, this person might reveal me. This person might help you out. You see what I'm saying? Because one thing about someone that's real, and I'm gonna leave you with this: a real person, a real educator, a real teacher, someone that's wise, they gonna give it to you in a way that even a kid gonna feel it and get it and understand it. It's gonna keep it simple. But someone that try to be wise and smart and try to be more than what they are, you know what they do? They're gonna puff it up, make it sound real educated, make it sound real complicated. Every word you got to go grab a dictionary. I'm not saying there's nothing wrong with it, but if you're trying to make sure everybody reach it, there's a way you can get that word across. Hold on.